Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What did I tell you about AI? What did I tell you? You know, let's grab some Mike's Hard Mango. I don't think you can even see it. There we go, Hard Mango. So let's you know, we made a couple grand on those flips. Let's pop it open, okay? And you know, cheers, guys. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is your boy Shades and Trades here. Hopefully everyone had a great Thanksgiving. We're going to talk about AI stocks. AI, specifically APLD stock. Okay, so for those of you who are new to the channel, I talk about AI stocks and penny stocks that have a lot of potential to skyrocket once they get to the higher exchanges. Right now, obviously, if they're in the OTC, they're just going to pump and dump because that's kind of what penny stocks do. But in the meantime, I've been keeping an eye on all the AI stocks that are out there, such as APLD. You also have Color Technology, which is, whoa, Color, whoa, what happened to you? Color Technology, woo, look at that go. See, you're seeing a pattern here of AI stocks just absolutely exploding. Quantum computing, I don't even know if that's a real company. I heard it's not. I heard it's not a real company. I heard it just has the name quantum computing, but it actually isn't worth much of anything. I don't know if that's true or not. I haven't looked into it because we're here to talk about APLD, not all those other stocks. So APLD sitting at 10.11. SoundHound, where's SoundHound? Another AI stock that Nvda invested in. So far, it's looking to me like Nvda right now is getting in early on the stocks that they believe and the companies that they believe have a lot of potential in the future. So if they're getting in right now, they obviously believe that SoundHound is worth more than $10. They believe that APLD is worth more than where it's at right now. I think Serve is another. Is Serve another one? You got to keep an eye on these AI stocks. Some of you might be like, whoa, there's a bunch of them. Yeah, there are. Serve, I think, is another AI stock. I'm going to add this one. Going to keep an eye on that because it's just kind of going sideways. Maybe one day it'll get another explosion, but you can see massive explosion to $24. And if you scroll down, you know, Nvda disclosed new stake in Apld Digital, maintains ARM holding SoundHound stakes. Nvda shows increased stake in Serve Robotics. So these are the ones that Nvda is invested in. Now APLD being the most recent one, you can see made a massive move from a low of $3.5 to $11. And they haven't sold at SoundHound. They haven't sold their Serve shares. This is important to keep an eye on. If Nvda hasn't sold, why should you? If you're a long-term investor in AI like I am, my portfolio, for those of you who want to know, it's mainly Nvda with SoundHound and Pltr. But mainly Nvda. Like, I've been adding Nvda on dips. I added at 132. I added some more today at 138. I've been adding on the pullbacks. If it goes to 100, thank you. If we go into a bear market and Nvda comes under 100, oh, what an opportunity. That's nothing more than an opportunity, my friends. So APLD, with regards to Nvda, if Nvda continues to pump, let me look at Nvda. It's important to keep an eye on Nvda as well, because if Nvda starts pumping, if we can break above this support, this resistance here at 140, we can go back to 143 and then 150 pretty fast. If you know Nvda and how volatile it is, it can move quick. And Nvda pumping tends to bring up other AI stocks as well. For those of you who don't know, that's not always the case. Kind of like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumps, usually the miners pump as well. That's not always the case, but usually, right? So that's why I said keep an eye on Nvda. Oh my goodness. APLD, I'm not invested in it, but I'm going to do more research into what this is about, why Nvda invested in it. So far, though, APLD, if we can break $10, $11 here, that's our most recent resistance. If we can break that, we'll go to 20. And I'm saying that because of Serve Robotics. I know some of you are like, wait, why this random price target? Serve, it reached a high of 16, pulled back pretty hard, and then still ended up getting to 24. And then it dropped as low as 10. So that's why I'm saying look out for 20. If it can break 12, we can see 20, and it can come so fast. Color Technology, I don't know if Nvidia is invested in this one, but you know, if this thing goes to $10 from $1, that is insane if that happens. But for Applied Digital, I would look out for $12 and above. If that breakout happens, mark it down. Mark it down right now. We're going to 20. And again, this is a pump on the AI hype. What does that mean? It means we're going to get a pump to 20 and then it's going to come back down. I just showed you Serve Robotics. I just showed you SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI, despite all the pumps that it's had, guess what? What always happens is it pumps and then it comes right back down, right? People are going to take profit. Now, for those of you who are long, like me on AI, I'm long on AI. I like flipping Bitcoin and the miners. That's like what I like, flipping those. I like trading those and penny stocks. But long term, Nvda, SoundHound, and Pltr, and maybe some Applied Digital here after I do some more research with regards to what the actual company is about. Because right now, of course, the AI pump is going to send it. So yeah, let me move this here. There's your big. It's got to be $12. It's got to be 12. Let's look at the ratings. I'm curious about what ratings they put it up to. Raises target price to 13, so 30% from where it is right now. Buy ratings $11. Buy rating $11. $10. I thought they would have it a little higher. So they all have the ratings at around where it's at, around 10 to 12 bucks. No one has it higher than that, it seems. Huh. Alright. Either way, I would say be very careful right now. If it doesn't break out above that level, 12, be very careful. Because if you're going to be an investor, best time to buy is when it gets cheap. I would wait to see if it actually breaks out. If it doesn't, if we start coming down and retracing, I would look to buy under $9. Under $9. Look to buy under $9 if it does start coming down. Now, this channel isn't about buying tops. It's not about dollar cost averaging at a top every single time it comes up to a top. We're about buying cheap, getting the most bang for our buck, getting the most yogurt for our money. Whatever the case may be, we look for deals. So I would say wait for the pullback if that happens, because it is Thanksgiving week, and if you've been trading long enough and investing long enough, then you know that around holidays the volume tends to be low, and we don't get as much action compared to the week after. The week after is going to be insane. It's going to really determine whether we're going to continue to boom here or if we're going to start coming down. So, all right, guys. I mean, look at that. If you look at my watch list, wheat stocks aren't moving. GameStop is coming on down. AI stocks are green. This is EV, so you know, Neo, sure, whatever. But you look at my watch list, and it's mainly anything AI related and Bitcoin related that's moving. SPY just created a new high. Like I said, next week, Monday, it's going to be very interesting. It's going to dictate the move of the markets. Don't be surprised if you wake up Monday and everything pumps. And you're just going to be like, whoa, everything just gapped up. Like, people just came back from Thanksgiving and were like, woo, I'm going to buy a ton of AI stocks. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I will see, well, shorter than the people that, you know, upload 20-30 minute videos by comparison. All right, don't, you know, don't hang me. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.